Hey everyone, I'm Ruth. Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'll be painting a white flower with watercolors. I'll be painting a peony and I'll use the negative painting technique to create this flower. So let's get right into the tutorial. I start by taping my paper to the surface and then I apply some diluted watercolors with a lot of water and little paint on my paper, and I use a drinking straw to blow the paint in all kinds of directions, and then I use a soft tissue to dab away some of the pigment. And when that layer has completely dried, I draw a light pencil sketch of a flower, a peony, with my mechanical pencil. With a really light hand, so the pencil won't show through the paint later on. And when I'm happy with my sketch, I start painting with very thick paint, not so diluted anymore. And I paint around the pencil sketch. And this is called negative painting. I paint around the shapes of the flower to make the flower appear. And again I use the drinking straw to blow the paint away, and it gives it a really nice splashy effect. So I repeat this process around the flower of adding dark paint around the shape of the flower and around the stem as well. And here I add some shadow to the center of the flower with my pink color. And that's again more diluted paint. And I repeat this process until the whole flower becomes visible with this negative painting technique. And if I wasn't filming this process, I would turn the paper around, but then I have to peel off the tape every time. So now I use the drinking straw by bending the tip, and that way I can also blow the paint in various directions without removing the tape over and over again. You just saw me use a liner brush to add the detail to the center of the flower. You can make really fine lines with this brush. And now I add some more shadow with my diluted purple paint. And here I add a green color, a light green color to the leaves, and some more shadow to the inside of the flower as well. Initially I sketched a second flower on the right side, but later on I decided not to paint it and just keep the attention to this single flower. And again I keep repeating the process of adding paint, blowing it away, let the layers dry in between, and adding more shadow and more color to the flower as well, because it is a white flower, but white is never really white, so always pay attention to adding color and shadows to your white flower as well. So here I am adding some detail to the inside of the flower, to the center, with some thick yellow paint, using the liner brush for the finest details. And I use some clear water to dilute the paint on the paper. Just a damp brush Here I'm adding some more green tones to the leaves as well, just to define the flower. And then I'm ready to take off the tape. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get informed when a new video comes out. You can leave a comment down below and don't forget to share my video with all your friends. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.